Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Moto G57 Power, Moto G67 Power or any of the Motorola smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here is my Moto G57 Power. As you can see, I'm stuck here at the lock screen. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, the password, the swipe gesture is not working, the fingerprint ID, face ID, nothing is working, and I'm stuck here at this lock screen. So to remove any kind of security from your device, you need to do this from the settings or you need to perform a hard reset. For that as well, you will have to go to the settings, but since you are logged out of the device, you cannot perform any of these two activities. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Moto G57 Power, Moto G67 Power or any of the Motorola smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with it. And if you were using your Google account on your device, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential as well before you start using the device. So now the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you need to press the power button and volume down button together. Press and hold them for a while like this until this screen appears on your Motorola smartphone. So now to navigate between the options, you will have to use the volume keys, volume down to go down, volume up to go up. So go to the recovery mode option and after that press the power key to select it. Your device will reboot one more time. And then you will reach this screen where you will find no command. Now all you have to do is press the power button, and while pressing the power button, press volume up once. And then you will reach this screen here. And here we got multiple options. One of them is the wipe data factory reset. So this is what we are going to use. So once again, use the volume keys to go to wipe data factory reset. After that, press the power key once. Then here you can see that it is showing the warning that it's going to wipe all of your data and it cannot be undone. Press the volume down to go to factory data reset. After that, press the power key once. And here at the bottom, you can see some of the activities are started. It is formatting the data of your device. And now the data wiping process is completed and by default reboot system now option is selected. So just press the power key once. Now the device will reboot and you will go through the setup process. So whatever you did in the very beginning once you started using the device, you will have to do it one more time. So you can see that it is asking me to set up the lock screen PIN one more time. That means the previous one is gone, so I'm just going to skip it. And let's see whether we really got the access back to our Motorola smartphone here or not. And here we go. So as you can see, it is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen PIN on my Moto G57 Power here, and all of the security from my device are removed now. So this is how you can gain the access back to your Motorola smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password, your face ID, fingerprint IDs are not working and you are stuck at the lock screen. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.